Hi, we left off in the last video knowing about the pwd command, which helps you to see the present working directory. And so in this video, I want to show you one simple command and a variant of it that helps you to list the content of the present working directory or the current folder on your system that is readily accessible to your terminal. And so the command is ls. Once you type ls and you press enter, it is going to list the content of your present working directory. So I have a folder called applications, I have a file called arduino.txt, and several other folders and files in my present working directory. To confirm what the terminal is showing me, I can execute another command called open. And so the moment you type open and then you give a dot, what you essentially telling the terminal to do is to open the current folder or the current or the present working directory. So it's going to open your Finder application on the Mac, and then it is going to show you the content. So if I do this, you can see that indeed what we see in the graphical user interface or the Finder application is similar to what we find in the terminal as well. So over here you can see applications, and you can also see that there is applications here, and you can see there is Arduino io.tst. We also have Arduino io.tst, and so basically what the ls command does is to show you the content of your present working directory. That is as simple as it is. There is a variant of it that will show you a lot more information that is not so much useful to us for now, but I'm going to show you anyway. So most commands also have what is known as flags, and you can use flags or switches to alter the way the commands work. So ls is one such command that has several flags that you can use to switch the way it works. So if I do ls minus a, it is going to achieve something else. You can see that this time around it is showing me some files that begins with a dot. So .trash, .android, .cache, .cargo. What you see on your system might be different, but what I want you to know is that on a Macintosh operating system and mostly other Unix operating systems like Linux, any file that begins with a dot is called a hidden folder. So a hidden file. So what it means is that if you open the Finder application, you will not see these files that has names beginning with dot, even though they actually exist on your computer. But once you do ls minus a, you are saying it should list all, including hidden files and folders. And so that is how come the output is showing you a lot more things than we saw when we open the Finder application. We can add one more switch, which is ls minus al, which is similar to ls minus a, but this time around it prints detailed information about the files and folders in your present working directory, and even includes permissions. These are things I don't want us to talk about now, but I just want you to know that there's a ls command and it helps us to list the content of the present working directory. So thank you very much for watching this, and I'll see you in the next video where we learn about a very simple command that helps us to clear our screen when there's too much clutter. So see you soon.